In August of 2000, Union Pacific Railroad accidentally started a fire down in the area of the Feather River Canyon known as Storrie. What resulted was a burn that engulfed 56,000 acres of public land on the Plumas and Lassen National Forest. The steep and rugged nature of the Feather River Canyon, combined with 100 years of fire suppression on the public land, created the perfect conditions for a firestorm. And that's exactly what happened in 2000. Today, the Plumas National Forest and the Plumas Unified School District have created a unique and historic partnership. We are restoring the values that were lost in the Storrie Fire. The three facets of our programming are restoration, education, and recreation, all three of them being vital components to make a compelling story for the kids themselves and to engage them completely in the work of stewardship in the Feather River Canyon. I want your heart, love, and emotion endlessly, 'cause you're a good girl and you know it. During the course of each school year, we conduct about 60 field trips with students from 4th through 12th grade. When students participate in a Storrie Fire field trip, they are official Forest Service volunteers. They dress the part, wearing personal protection equipment, and act the part, walking hip to hip and working shoulder to shoulder with the Forest Service employees themselves.
I think today was a very successful day, and our students were really enthusiastic and ecstatic about seeing some young birds occupying the nest and actually seeing the parents coming and going. So it was a really good day.
Well, one of the things that I really love about this project is that kids who live up here in the upper Feather River region go up and down this canyon all the time. They're going to the Bay Area, Sacramento, Chico, and sometimes they'll stop and pause at a rest area here. But generally, no one stops and pauses and recreates. They really don't know the public land down in the Feather River Canyon. So part of what this project is doing through the youth is restoring a relationship of activity down here. The kids know the trails now. They're now out on the Rock Creek Reservoir, which kids for decades haven't really come down here to recreate at all. So it's exciting for me to see that and for them to make those connections and to then take that back to their families and maybe change some of the activity patterns of the community up here and their relationship with the Feather River Canyon.
There's no better way to appreciate nature than when you're interacting with it.
This approach to education moves beyond knowledge into action, where students actually make a difference in the world. From our questing treasure hunts to planting trees and working on trails, students slowly develop their relationship to land as stewards.
If the stars come down today, do you know they would say the Does everybody talk like that? I'd have to blush, turn my head, turn a violent shade of red. There are many who are just the same. But when they'll say, don't be afraid, because tomorrow's on its way.
Through regular visitation and repetition, students develop a lifelong love, connection, and understanding of the place that they live and the world around them.
Congratulations, you have completed the Belden quest. Use the stamp to mark your paper in the correct box. Thank you.
When the stars are done this day, climb back to the Milky Way. You take their words as if your own. You take the time.